hazard course, where you will be trained in the use of a hazardous environment suit. Hello and welcome to the Black Mesa Hazard course, where you will be trained in the use of a hazardous environment suit. I am your If you see one of these buttons, press it, and I will appear to demonstrate it.
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV protective system for use in hazardous environment conditions.
Moving around in your HEV suit can be slightly disorienting at first. Take a moment. The first move we will practice in the hazard course is basic jumping.
Good work. Those new suits can be tricky. Please proceed to the next area.
You will now duck under the next set of obstacles. Please note that
Very good. I hardly noticed you. On to the next area.
now we will combine skills. You will need to jump.
Good work. You look prepared for the next station.
To get into these pipes, you will have to signal your suit to make a duck jump. You'll want to stand right at the mouth of the pipe and continue to press forward. Then jump up and while you're mid-air, go into a... Nice job. Walk directly into the ladder, look up, and continue moving forward. If you want to come back down, just move backward. The next 3 jumps get harder each time, but they are quite possible. Don't be surprised if you keep trying. You'll get it too. If you can make all 3 in a continuous run, you are doing well. Great work. Now there's one more style of jumping requires its own charging module, seen here. To activate your long jump, press the button and I will demonstrate the move. Nice job. Please start the lift by moving up to the bottom. Now that you're up here, there's only one way down. Find the target on the floor below and do your best to hit like this one. If you take any damage to the pole, we will restore your medical care. Walk up to the next station. Press your use key. Your health will recover gradually until you are at full health or the kit is depleted. Once the light goes out, a med kit cannot be reused. To spin that bridge, walk up to the control wheel and press the use key. Fantastic. Sometimes you'll need to rely on more than just your suit to get through a tight place. Try jumping. If you can't push the obstacle out of your way, you might try pulling it. To pull a box, move up to it and press your use key. While holding down the use key to keep a grip on the box, move slowly down. The box will come along with you. Finally, if nothing else works, you can try breaking the objects in your path. Make sure you picked up a crowbar, then simply smash your way through the debris. Activate your suit flashlight.
Power 15%. Power 30%. Power 45%. Power 60%.
Great. Remember, your flashlight drains power, so switch it off when you don't need it. Well Welcome to the Black Mesa target range, where you will receive training in firing a weapon, reloading, and firing the attached grenade launcher. Please pick up your weapon and advance to the firing. You'll have to hit every target in order to complete the course. But if you miss the first time, don't worry. It will come around again. Try to reload during pauses rather than waiting to run out of ammunition at a critical time. To fire your grenade launcher, use your alternate fire button. Certain targets will break only when hit by grenades. Commencing sequence in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Target range. Please advance to the next area. Your ATV suit monitors blood oxygen levels.
Major fracture detected.
Come up and catch your breath. You will see the blood oxygen indicator on your suit's heads-up display returning to its previous level. You are free to swim on to the end of the course. Charging unit for your hazardous environment. When you are running low on power, step up to any charger. Your suit will be charged rapidly. If you pass this proximity, radiation, activate the Geiger counter and radiation display. Biohazards are also displayed at the local site.
Radiation levels detected.
Please advance to the next area. Lead a security guard into the next room.
Sure.
He will let you back into the transit system. You must approach the guard and press your use key. He will follow you until you face him and press the use key again. You are now fully certified for use of the ATV